Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about a new topic, that is reproduction. As the name suggests, it is a process in which an organism produces young one of its own kind. That means in reproduction, a type of organism produces the same type of offsprings, and it helps in maintaining continuity of life on earth. That means the life should exist always on earth, and if reproduction will not take place, then one time may come that the life will be ended up. So reproduction is a natural process that helps in maintaining the continuity of different forms of life on earth. Now, the modes of reproduction or types of reproduction. There are two types of reproduction. First one is asexual reproduction and the second one is sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction is a type of reproduction in which a single parent produces the offspring. There is no involvement of two parents, and speciality of this type of reproduction is that in this mode the offspring is very much identical with the parent. So the resemblance of offspring with the parent is too much. So in this mode of reproduction, only one parent produces an offspring, and offspring resembles a lot with the parent. But this is not the case with sexual reproduction. In sexual reproduction, two parents are involved, and the offspring which is produced, that is having characteristic which is mixed from both the parents. So the offspring is not identical with the parents, it is a little different. Now we will be discussing about asexual reproduction in detail. There are various types of asexual reproduction. The first one is budding. Budding is a process in which a bud appears on the body of the individual. Bud is a small outgrowth. So a bud appears on the body of the individual, and this later on separates itself or detaches itself from the parent individual, and then it grows as an independent individual. Example, in Hydra and yeast, reproduction takes place by budding. This diagram shows reproduction in Hydra. You can see there is a tiny outgrowth coming out from the parent body which grows in size, and finally it separates itself and grows as a new individual. This is regarding budding. Next is binary fission. Binary means two. So in this, the parent cell undergoes division to produce two daughter cells. Common example of the organism having binary fission is amoeba. You can see amoeba is the organism which is not having a definite shape. So the body of the organism starts elongating, and the nucleus also elongates. First the nucleus divides, and slowly the cytoplasm also divides and produces two daughter cells. This is how binary fission takes place. Next mode of asexual reproduction are other modes of asexual reproductions are regeneration and fragmentation. Regeneration means again the broken part grows into a new individual, and fragmentation means breaking of the body part. So first the fragmentation takes place, and then it grows into a new individual, that is regeneration takes place. Both these regeneration and fragmentation takes place in the same individual, in which a new organism is formed from the broken part of the organism's body. Example is Spirogyra. Spirogyra is a ribbon shaped organism found in water. It is an algae, and any part of the Spirogyra that breaks, and that broken part grows into new individual, that is regeneration and fragmentation. Now there is one more method which has become popular nowadays, that is cloning. Cloning, actually it is a process of producing identical copies of an organism. and this is done by copying its genetic material. Genetic material is DNA. So we are capable, the scientists are capable of producing the copies, identical copies of DNA of an individual. DNA is present inside the nucleus. So nucleus is taken out, and then DNA is taken out from the nucleus, and its copy is made in the lab. And by the help of that copy of the DNA, one new individual is produced, which is totally identical with the parent. That is called cloning. But this is an artificial method, and this is till now not become very much successful. The organism which have been produced by cloning till now, they are not healthy, and their lifespan is also short. The first clone which was made by man in